Paddling life here with Judah Harms on the banks of the Skykomish River at his house up near Index, and he's going to walk us through the new thigh hooker from Pyranha.
I'm 16 right now. I've been boating for 10 years. Started when I was 6. Got my first boat for my 6th birthday. Little Jackson Fun 1. Favorite river would probably be Top Tie. It's kind of funny because it has my most favorite rapids on it and my least favorite rapids on it. But overall, I love that road. It's so much fun. The stock version, the stock edition that they come with is just this right here. And the thigh hookers give this much more, so this entire black piece right here is your thigh hooker. And so you're gonna have all this to push off of whenever you're doing a stern squirt or taking a boost stroke. They basically just allow you to get a bunch more torque. So like if you're in the ripper, they allow you to just crank a lot more on those thighs and those knees, and just to get a bunch more torque. And if you're in a creek boat, then more lift on the knees, so you can get that edge higher and bigger boosts. Yeah, great. I typically paddle the Ripper and the Ozone. If it's like a super big water lap, then I'll take out the Machno or the Minor 2. Usually the Ripper. There are 2 bolts back here that they bolt into, and then you can tighten them down enough so that they kick in and out super easy. Growing up on the Sky has been just really great. Having a dad who's been paddling for 20 years or so, he's just been super influential and helpful in my development. Being able to go kayaking after school has been just amazing, and hitting up the local trips like Top Tie and Lower Tie has been great as well, in order to help me just become a better paddler.
Judah, thanks so much for joining us at Paddling Life. Thanks for your opinions on the Pyranha thigh hooker and how it's helping you connect more with your boat.
Thank you.